pink salt formed more than 250 million years ago, when ancient oceans became trapped and crystallized beneath the mountains. The international price of Himalayan pink salt can range from $3 to $7 per kilo, depending on purity, grain size, and packaging. Despite being a common salt at its origin, its export and use in wellness make it a premium product globally. The Kura mines in Pakistan, where most pink salt is extracted, have estimated reserves of more than 80 million tons. At this extraction rate, they could last for hundreds of years. Unlike common table salt, pink salt is neither refined nor chemically processed. It's manually mined from underground mines in Pakistan, mainly in Kura, the world's second-largest salt mine. It contains up to 84 natural minerals and trace elements, including calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, and zinc, which give it its signature pink color. Its properties are believed to improve cellular hydration by balancing electrolyte levels in the body, especially in hot climates or during physical exercise. Some natural therapists recommend it to help regulate blood pressure and improve digestion, although these benefits aren't fully backed by science yet. Its flavor is more intense and complex than refined salt, so you can use less of it without losing flavor. It's used in halotherapy treatments, where breathing salt-saturated air is believed to help with respiratory issues, like asthma or allergies. Lamps made from blocks of pink salt are popular for their supposed energy and air-purifying benefits, though science hasn't confirmed these effects. In cooking, many gourmet chefs prefer it for its crunchy texture and purity, treating it as a premium salt. Despite its fame, some experts warn its benefits shouldn't be overstated. It's still salt, and too much of it carries the same risks as any other. Did you know there's a salt that hasn't been refined in millions of years and may contain up to 84 essential minerals? Today, I'll tell you what few people talk about when it comes to Himalayan pink salt. But first, if you love natural health topics and amazing facts, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming. At the end of the video, I'll give you a quiz to see how much you learned. Now let's get into the most eye-opening facts about this salt that's divided opinions worldwide. Step 1. The ancient origin of pink salt. Himalayan pink salt isn't a modern product or a creation of today's industry. Its story goes back more than 250 million years, when an ancient sea that once covered much of what we now know as Asia began to evaporate. This natural process left massive deposits of sea salt trapped under layers of lava, ice, and rock, protecting them for millions of years from any environmental contamination. Over time, geological shifts formed the massive Himalayan mountain range, burying these mineral crystals even deeper. That's why pink salt is considered one of the purest on the planet. It's never been exposed to pollution or industrial refining. Today, it's mainly extracted from the Kura mines in Pakistan, the world's second-largest salt mine. Its signature pink color comes from minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, trapped in its crystal structure. This ancient geological origin doesn't just make it unique, it also draws the interest of people looking for natural products with a real story behind them. Step 2. Artisanal mining in Pakistan. Himalayan pink salt isn't extracted through industrial methods like other commercial salts. It's still mined by hand, mainly at the Kura mine in northern Pakistan, one of the oldest and largest in the world. This mine has been worked for more than 2,000 years, and traditional techniques are still used today to preserve the mineral's quality. Instead of heavy machinery that could contaminate or alter the salt structure, workers use hand tools to cut large blocks of salt rock. These blocks are carefully carried out of the mine, where they're sorted, classified, and sometimes crushed or ground without any chemicals. Each block is handled with minimal intervention to preserve its crystal structure and natural mineral content. No additives, no bleaching, no refining. The result is a pure product, exactly as nature made it. This artisanal approach is also a sign of respect for the environment and local tradition, providing jobs for thousands of people and keeping an ancient mining practice alive. This extraction method is a core part of pink salt's value. Step 3. A unique mineral makeup. One reason Himalayan pink salt has become so popular is its surprising mineral composition. Unlike common table salt, which is almost entirely sodium chloride, and usually chemically refined. Pink salt keeps its original structure and contains up to 84 minerals and trace elements in small but meaningful amounts. These minerals include iron, responsible for its pink color, magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve balance, potassium, key for cell function, and calcium, essential for bones. Zinc, phosphorus, and selenium are also present in their natural form. This combination gives it a more complex, less harsh flavor than other salts, and has led many people to see it as a healthier choice. While its benefits are still debated in science, its composition hasn't been altered by industrial processing. That much is true. For many, eating it in its natural state is a way to reconnect with essential elements the Earth has kept intact for millions of years. That's why it's called the purest salt in the world. Step 4. The real health benefits. Himalayan pink salt has been marketed as a healthier alternative to regular salt. But which of these benefits are actually real and proven? First, its sodium content is slightly lower than refined salt, which can help people cutting back on sodium without losing that salty flavor. It also offers small amounts of nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These amounts aren't enough to meet daily needs on their own, but they can complement a rich, balanced diet. Another benefit is that it has no additives, like the anti-caking agents added to many table salts. That makes it a more natural option, free of added chemicals. It's also less processed, which keeps its original crystal structure and makes it more stable against humidity. In alternative therapies, it's used in relaxing baths for its supposed detox effect, and in lamps, some believe purify the air. These uses don't have strong scientific backing, but they're part of a broader wellness approach. Bottom line, pink salt isn't miraculous, but it does offer a cleaner, more mindful alternative within a healthy lifestyle. Step 5. Therapeutic and household uses. Beyond the kitchen, Himalayan pink salt has become popular for its many therapeutic and household uses. One of the best known is the salt bath. By dissolving pink salt crystals in hot water, many people try to relieve muscle pain, reduce fatigue, and promote relaxation. These effects aren't fully backed by science, but the traditional use of mineral salts in baths goes back thousands of years and is widely accepted. Another common use is homemade scrubs. Mixed with natural oils, pink salt becomes ideal for removing dead skin cells, leaving skin feeling clean and smooth. It's also used to make salt lamps, crafted from solid blocks. These lamps aren't just decorative. They're believed to help purify the air by releasing negative ions, though this claim is still debated in science. At home, it's used to preserve food, clean surfaces, and even gargle for sore throats. Its versatility has made it a valuable natural resource, both in wellness routines and everyday household tasks. Step 6. Myths and scientific truths. Himalayan pink salt has been surrounded by all kinds of claims, from supposed healing powers to energetic properties. But what does science actually say? One of the most common myths is that this salt contains 84 minerals the body needs and can make up for nutritional deficiencies on its own. The truth is, while these minerals are present, the amounts are minimal. You'd need to eat unhealthy amounts of salt to get any real benefit from them. It's also claimed that it can detox the body, but there are no solid studies showing pink salt has any cleansing effect on organs or toxins. The human body already has natural mechanisms, like the liver and kidneys, for that. As for salt lamps, while they're visually relaxing, the idea that they purify the air has no solid scientific backing. What is true is that pink salt is less processed, has no additives, and can be a more natural option compared to refined salt. But it's not magic. Its benefits are real, just within a realistic scope, as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. Step 7. Grab a pen and paper. It's time to see how much you learned. So, grab a pen and paper. Let's put your memory, your attention, and your curiosity to the test. Get ready, because in the next few seconds, a few quick questions about everything we covered are coming your way. Did you catch how many minerals pink salt has? Do you remember which country it's mined in? And what's the real, proven health benefit? What color does Himalayan salt usually come in? A. Light blue. B. Pink. C. Pure white. 1, 2, 3. Pink. Its distinctive color comes from natural iron. What's a common therapeutic use of pink salt? A. Salt lamps. B. Dyeing fabric. C. Bug repellent. 1, 2, 3. Salt lamps. They're used indoors for their supposed relaxing effects. Which of these is a myth about pink salt? A. It contains trace minerals. B. It cures serious diseases. C. It has an ancient origin. 1, 2, 3. It cures serious diseases. There's no scientific evidence for claims that extreme. What type of cuisine uses it often? A. Molecular cuisine. B. High-end gourmet cuisine. C. Fast food. 1, 2, 3. High-end gourmet cuisine. Its delicate flavor and presentation make it perfect for exclusive dishes. What country is the world's main source of pink salt? India. B. Pakistan. C. Nepal. 1, 2, 3. Pakistan. The Kura mine is the largest source of pink salt on the planet. What's one of the real benefits of this salt? A. It has less sodium than refined salt. B. It helps you lose weight. C. It instantly removes toxins. 1, 2, 3. It has less sodium than refined salt. It's a healthier option in certain diets. Roughly how many minerals does pink salt contain? 30. B. 84. C. 100. 1, 2, 3. 84. Trace minerals like iron and calcium give it its color and nutritional value. Did you get them all right? Let me know in the comments, and tell me what other mineral or element you'd like us to dig into next. If today's video surprised you, subscribe to Fabricalo, hit the bell, and share this video. We'll keep exploring the materials that build our world right here. Himalayan pink salt isn't just a trendy seasoning. It's a testament to our planet's geological history, from its ancient origins to its place in our kitchens and relaxation spaces. It's proven to be more than just a simple grain of salt. Thanks for watching, for learning, and for being here. See you in the next video, where every element has a story to tell.